Part 3 of the drawer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run what's called a dado along the side of the side rails. All right. So pretty simple, straightforward. Do a sketch on this front edge. And what we're going to do is we're going to do P for project. Okay, and what P for project does, just does the outline of the object, which makes it simple. Okay, now if I use center, okay, I'm going to use a center rectangle. So if I come down here to rectangle, center rectangle, and I'm going to scroll in here a bit. And if I go along here, okay, you can see that right there, there's a triangle. It might be hard for you to see there. You can see this line. Now, if I come up this way, okay, and I go this way, okay, you can see that triangle. So there's a line there, and there's a line there. Now, it might be hard to see. I'll scroll in. You can see now I got two lines, okay? And what that is, that's dead center. Now what I can do is just run like this and go out, and I want that height, or that length, okay, to 16.5, which it is, and the height to be, let's go 3/4. So 3/4, okay? And this is just going to go to the end, and it's 16 inches. Sorry, it's 16 and a half, 16.5, whoops, 0.5. Okay, and that goes, whoa, that was supposed to be 3/4. My apologies there. And this one is 16.5. Okay, and I just hit finish sketch. Now, all that does is creates a little slot there. So when we go extrude, and we take this slot, and let me just get it picked. Let me get it picked. Let me get it picked. Doesn't want to, there we go, sorry. And I'm going to go back in 1/4 inch. So I'm going to suck this way, and 1/4 of an inch. Whoops, 1/4. There we go. Okay, so there's the first part done. Okay, now the second thing is on the other side of it, I want to do a little slot as well. So I'm going to go to the back of this and do a sketch. And this is for the plywood to slide into for the drawer bottom. So this time I'm just going to do a P for project. Okay, pick the whole box. I'm going to do this one, and I'm just going to grab from here and go over to the edge there. There's 16 and a half. And this one's going to be 1/4 of an inch high. Okay, 16 and a half. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is dimension it from here to the bottom. I'm going to make it 1/4. So 1/4. Okay, whoops, I went 1.4. Sorry about that. Hit escape. And double click this and go 1/4. That's better. Okay, finish that one off. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to extrude it. And I'll extrude it in 1/4 again, 1/4. Okay, and I'm going to go -1/4 apparently, -1/4, so it cuts in. And we hit OK. So there's our drawers. That's the outside of the drawer. This is the inside. And what I've done to that one, I also have to do to this front and back one. So I'm just going to draw on the back side of this one just to keep everything kind of the same. So draw this one and move it around. P for project. That lets me put this red line around everything. Grab this, and that means it snaps into place. I'll scroll out a bit. Snaps into place, 16, hit enter. Now, I forgot to dimension it right away, so I'm going to grab my dimensioning and go from there to there. And that should be 1/4. Okay. And from here to the bottom, oops, cancel, I went the wrong spot. Okay, from there to right there is 1/4 as well. And we hit finish. And finally, we extrude it. Now we're going to extrude it in, okay, at -1/4. Okay, there we go. There's all our pieces basically done to put our drawer together. And the next tutorial is going to be assembling the whole thing. So we're going to stop here.